to A1 Auto. This is 2014 Hyundai Elantra. Driver side one window is not working. Car had an accident. See in here, right there. And put the tape. I believe this one, the window regulator is not working. I think the cable is broke from the window regulator. Let me show you the noise. There's a noise. That means motor is working. You hear the motor? So let me open this and let's see what. There's a little cap right here. Let's take the cap off. This is screw one here, and then another one is screw. So one here, like right under. Follow this. There's another one right here. Cap off. See this? Take the screw off. Take the screw off and put something like a screwdriver or something, and put in here. Just pry. You see this coming out. See this whole thing is came out. Basically, it's nothing else here. Just we screw in, open to screw. It will see this come out. And there's a little piece, just pry with something right here, just pry with a screwdriver or something. See it's coming out. After that, just take all this connection out, just push here, pull it like this. The same thing like here, there's underneath the tab, just pull the tab, came out. There's another one, same thing. The tab, it came out. This, you see this cable is separate from here. So I'm gonna open this to screw, then put the whole thing and put it together in here. Screw up, just pull it like this until it come out easily. Okay, let me take the tape off. I need to put the window down. Now I'm gonna take all this bolt out. There's a 10mm bolt all around here. See this? Right there. Take all this bolt out. Window regulator for Hyundai. This is the whole thing came out. Look. Like with the bolt and everything. It's $200, I think $52. So let me show you for the motor, this is 7mm, three bolt. You need to open that. To open the connection for the motor, see this two tab right there. Just push it from both sides like this and pull it like to come out. The whole wire is messed up inside. Look. So in here there's a little two hole. You see this right here, one, and one is right there. And there's a cover for this. It was like this cover. I took the cover off, and you see this, there's a two bolt, 10mm bolt right there, this one, and the other bolt right there. We need to lose this bolt like this one. You see the glass I put like little down, so because the wire is broken, so I cannot put the switch and the glass, raise it up and down. I cannot do that. That's why I need to push this glass to go down until I see the bolt. So after you take the two bolts, the glass will fall down, so be careful. See the glass, I put these things so it hold the glass, or you can put the tape like this, tape here, tape there, and it will hold it. Just work out a little bit, little by little. Whole thing is coming out. Then you see this, so you need to take this because we need to put it back this again. Just put it like this. Whole thing is came out, and take this off. So put the mark which one go where. The black one in the bottom, white one in the top. Just push it like this. And just push it from here in the back. See? And push this dust cover inside like this, because we need to push this, take this off. After there, you see this whole thing came out easily. So we need to take this wire. So right there, see there's right here, there's a connector. So we need to disconnect this connector. Take this wire off. Let's push the clip like this. Came out. See this? Put this tab and pull it. Pull it from here. Take this. Just pull it like this. Come out. So it came out. Just push it in. This. So this piece, it doesn't come with this, the new one. You see this? So we need to take this off. Simple, just see this, my finger, just pull it like this. It came out. When you put it back, just smash the hole like this. Then just push it down. Now it's locked, you see? When you pull this way, it's unlocked. When you pull that way, it's locked. There's the one sensor in the old one. See this sensor? We need to transfer to the new one. Just 2 screws, take it off. So I put this sensor on the new one. I'm gonna pull all the wire through this hole, like the way I take it off. See, I push through here and put the cover. I'm gonna pull this to under this. Take it off and put wire inside. So this one, I put one wire like this. Lock it up like that. Here we go. Now you see this wire. Don't forget to put this connector back before I forget. Right here. There you go. Two wire. I push it inside this hole. The white one on the top. White one on the top. Black one on the bottom. Then there's a little cover. Push this. Let's pull it. So when you push it in, right there, the one is inside. Make sure it is inside, and just like this. Just little. Let's push it in. See, it's little by little. See, it's perfectly flooded everywhere. Now put all this connection back. sure it's tight. And put all this 10mm bolt, put it back, and the motor with the 3 screw with this motor back. So motor should be face up like this. Make sure you match this hole before you put the screw. See this location of this bolt here, on there, one right under this. There's a lot of holes. Don't mess all the wire to the wherever it's supposed to be. Make sure it's locked. Here. There's another one right there. This glass still the holding. I'm gonna put the connection to this window. I'm gonna pull the regulator up and down. You see the hole? I want to see the bolt, so I have to loose the bolt. You don't have to take it off, just loose it up. And this one is, you'll see another bolt. Just loose the bolt. Push this glass from the top to the bottom. And when it is go on under the group, then tie this. When I put the connection for the switch, this one, see, one connection right there. Then the switch, with the switch, so I'm gonna pull it up and down. See the bolt. Bolt should be right there, so you can tie it up both sides. There's another one right here. See this? So I'm gonna loose this first. Now I'm gonna take this off and push window a little bit. Be careful. Push window a little bit, little by little. Put down the window a little bit. Make sure it's inside the groove right there. So I put the glass in. I leave all those bolt open because the glass sometimes you need to adjust. Put the hand in here, right there. You can hold the glass if you by yourself. And there's a slot right there. See, this is the old one. Let me show you. So you see this slot, glass has to go inside, so you can touch through this hole, this one, so you can adjust like a little bit. See this, you can move a little bit, and the other side too. So glass has to be there. So glass is there already. See, glass is holding. So before you tighten the screw, see the glass, you can see really, you can touch it. Is inside the groove already. And the other side as well. Other side you can touch from here. Glass inside this, inside the groove I told you. Now I'm gonna tie this bolt. The one. So this two bolt. After I tied two bolt, I wanna check the glass. How is working? I put this switch back, and I'm gonna pull it up and down the glass. Put it down. See this? Now went smoothly. Now I can tie it up all this like this bolt. All bolt I'm gonna tie it up. So when you put it in this, see these two, this side and this side, there's a groove right here and this groove right there. So basically just push this inside. Go inside like this. See, this thing is moving freely, it's not coming out. Then you lock here. Same thing the other one. Just do like this. It will go inside, look. then just lock this. That's it. Put it in this. These two black things should be outside. See this? And this is locked right there. Just push it like this. Just push it. See? And I'm gonna put all this connection and this. Let me put it back. This. Just leave it like this. And right there, just put in the hole. Let's go up to here. See, just snug in here. Then there's a 2 screw right there. One in here, one in there. That's it, tied it up. So I put all this connection. So this is connection. Don't forget to put this. This for the mirror. So you just push it in this and just. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you very much.